Name is Tony Dong. Apple introduces special edition red iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Are you red? Why for this? Introduced a red version of the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus on Tuesday, March 21st, to commemorate the tech company's 10-plus year partnership with Product Red, the brand that raises awareness and funds to help fight HIV/AIDS. The special edition iPhones feature a vibrant red matte aluminum body and will be available to order online worldwide and in stores beginning on Friday, March 24th. The smartphones will come in 128GB and 256GB models, starting at $749. We began working with Red 10 years ago. Our customers have made a significant impact in fighting the spread of AIDS through the purchase of our products, from the original iPod Nano Product Red Special Edition all the way to today's lineup of Beats products and accessories for iPhone and Apple Watch. Apple CEO Tim Cook said in a press release, "The introduction of this special edition iPhone in a gorgeous red finish is our biggest Product Red offering to date in celebration of our partnership with Red." In the press release, Product Red CEO Deborah Dugan cited Apple as the world's largest corporate donor to the Global Fund. The tech giant has contributed more than $130 million throughout its decade-long partnership with Product Red. Apple also unveiled a new 9.7-inch iPad with a brighter Retina display on Tuesday. The 32GB model starts at $329, making it the company's most inexpensive iPad to date. Additionally, Apple introduced Clips, a free app that allows users to create immersive videos to share on social media platforms including Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Users can combine video photos with filters, emojis and other animations similar to the current features on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. For the follow-up, subscribe to the channel yourself here.